Have you ever seen a flower that looks like a lobster, pretends to be a bird, and grows upside down in the heart of the jungle? This isn't fantasy. This is Heliconia rostrata, also known as Hanging Lobster Claw or the false bird of paradise. A plant so dazzling it stops hikers, botanists, and birds mid flight. But its beauty, only the beginning of the story. Get ready for a journey into one of the most intriguing, exotic, and misunderstood flowers in the world. At first glance, it's a burst of red, yellow, and green, like a carnival frozen in midair. But those petals you are seeing, they are not petals at all, they are bracts, which are modified leaves. They serve as shields, rain gutters, and even secret nectar vaults. And the real flowers? Tiny, tucked inside, almost hidden like nature's buried treasure. Heliconia rostrata is native to the rainforests of Central and South America, where humidity hugs you like a wet towel and life explodes in every direction. You will find them in Costa Rica, Ecuador, Colombia, and even creeping into the lush gardens of Southeast Asia. They don't grow alone. They grow boldly, reaching up to 6 feet tall, often forming walls of color in jungle undergrowth. In botanical gardens, they are the star attraction. In the wild, they are hummingbird highways. Now, here is where it gets juicy, or rather nectary. Heliconia's vibrant bracts are designed to attract hummingbirds, especially long beaked ones that can dive deep into those claw like tubes. As the bird feeds, it collects pollen on its head and unknowingly becomes a winged delivery boy for the next bloom. Some Heliconia species have co evolved with specific hummingbirds, they only bloom when their bird is in season. Talk about exclusive relationships. You may be wondering why false bird of paradise. Well, it's a lookalike of the famous Strelitzia, also known as the true bird of paradise. That flower has bright orange and blue petals that stick up like a tropical bird's head. It really looks like a bird getting ready to fly. But Heliconia plays the mimic perfectly. Its tropical colors, dramatic stands, and ornamental flair have made many assume it's the same. But here is a twist. Heliconia is in its own botanical family, Heliconiaceae. It's not a bird, not a lobster, not a Strelitzia, but a master of disguise. Did you know the hanging lobster claw isn't just ornamental? In some region, parts of the plant are used in traditional medicine to treat inflammation. Its wild leaves are also used to wrap food, like banana leaves, steaming meat and rice in tropical kitchens. Gardeners love it because it's pest resistant, low maintenance, and blooms almost year round. Oh, and it can drink up to a liter of water a day. It's a thirsty show off. Aside from hummingbirds, Heliconia attracts frogs, butterflies, and even small reptiles. Its flowers collect tiny pools of water, which become mini jungles for tadpoles and bugs. It's a vertical ecosystem offering shelter, food, and nectar. To humans, it's a source of wonder. Photographers, florists, and painters adore it. In fact, Heliconia art is found in Amazonian textiles and even Miami street murals. Yes, you can grow it yourself. If you live in a warm, humid climate or have a greenhouse, Heliconia rostrata can be your backyard masterpiece. Just give it plenty of light, but not direct midday sun. Rich, moist soil, lots of water and humidity, and in a few months you will be rewarded with cascading color fireworks that your neighbors will definitely ask about. Give it bright, indirect sunlight. It can handle morning sun but avoid harsh midday rays that might scorch the leaves. Heliconia loves rich, well draining soil. Mix in compost or organic matter to keep it fertile and moist. Think jungle conditions, dark, loose, nutrient packed. This plant is very thirsty. Water if often keep the soil damp but not soggy. During hot seasons, you may need to water daily. If the leaves start to droop, it's calling for a drink. It thrives in warm temperature above 15 degrees Celsius or 59 Fahrenheit. Mix the plant or place it near other plants to create a humid microclimate. Give each plant room to breathe. They spread through rhizomes, so allow 2-3 feet between them if you are planting multiples. Heliconias are slow to bloom. You might wait several months before seeing those spectacular lobster claws appear, but when they do, it's worth every second. With care and consistency, you can turn a corner of your backyard or balcony into a lush tropical paradise. And when your friends visit, they'll say, "Wait, you are growing that?" Believe it or not, the bold shape of Heliconia has inspired actual architecture. In tropical resorts and eco hotels, designers mimic the dramatic curves and colors of the lobster claw when creating roofs, columns, and garden pavilions. Those vibrant red and yellow claws you see, they are not flowers, they are bracts, and they can last up to 6 weeks without wilting. Surprise! Heliconia is a cousin of the banana plant. That's right, they are in the same botanical order. While one gives you food and the other gives you framboyans, both share large leaves, underground rhizomes, and a love for tropical life. Not all heliconias dangle like chandeliers. Some grow upright, pointing their claws toward the sky. But our star, Heliconia rostrata, is famous for its downward hanging blooms like nature's take on an elegant pendant lamp swaying in the rainforest breeze. So the next time someone asks you what your favorite flower is, surprise them. Say, the hanging lobster claw. Watch their eyebrows rise and then smile. Because now you know why. It's not just a flower, it's an engineer of ecosystems, a hummingbird's best friend, a nature's art installation, all in one plant. If you enjoyed this wild floral ride, go ahead, like, subscribe, and join us daily on Floral Symphony, where every flower has a story. Trust me, you won't look at gardens the same way again. See you in the next bloom.